Assalamu alaikum, dear students. So, previous lectures was for dipole moment and magnetic dipole. So, previous lectures was magnetic dipole क्या हो, magnetic dipole moment क्या हो. So, आज इस topic torque on a magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field. So, अगर इस magnetic dipole तराओ uniform magnetic field इसमें so tachi kara experience torque. So switch as topic torque on a magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field. So previous topic is ki magnetic dipole it means pair of two equal and opposite magnetic dipole magnetic poles. So agar is yaad a uniform magnetic field number. So when yaad a uniform magnetic field you have a set of parallel and equidistant lines. So yaad mein a uniform magnetic field in direction along this. So you have a uniform magnetic field by set of equidistant and parallel lines. So agar a uniform magnetic field is a magnetic dipole. So magnetic dipole तक experience current torque, switch is calculate current torque on a magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field. So याद कीजिए magnetic dipole So याद कीजिए magnetic dipole So याद कीजिए magnetic dipole आज पता magnetic dipole two poles, north pole and south pole. North pole and south pole. So when you have a magnetic dipole. A magnetic dipole number you can place it in a uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field. So yaad कीजिए मैं आप magnetic dipole ये थ्रू में एक uniform magnetic field mas. Let us suppose कि इस north pole च south pole च north pole से पनी pole strength south pole से पनी pole strength. Let pole strength of each pole strength of each pole is equal to m. So चाहे इस north pole निमो चाहे south pole निमो अश पता इस magnetic dipole ची इस दोनों pole चासा pole strength equal. So मिनी याद जाएं कि चाहे south pole ची या north pole ची उस magnetic इस pole strength ची सतो में बराबर ms. So बोल याद जाएं इस magnetic length. Let us suppose magnetic length means distance between this north pole and south pole. For example, this length, magnetic length is equal to 2L. So, yaad mein magnetic length, magnetic dipoles, image length is 2L. Therefore, ash pata til, image pole strength is pata, ash magnetic length is pata. So, ash mutal yaad this magnetic dipole moment. Ash pata magnetic dipole moment sahab imje capital M se magnetic dipole moment chasa barabar pole strength into length magnetic length. To ash pata image which direction chasa magnetic dipole moment it is from south pole to north pole. So direction of magnetic dipole moment, its direction is from south pole to north pole. So yaad jab isme magnetic dipole new in bar magnet ko se it will torque on a magnetic dipole or this bar magnet. So yaad jab is ki magnetic dipole moment is barabar m into 2l. So from south to north. Let us suppose this is the direction of magnetic field and this is magnetic dipole moment. So let this magnetic dipole moment or isko yaad jain magnetic axis dishes pata. As the magnetic axis is axis which passes through the north and the south pole. So याद remember, let this magnetic dipole moment makes an angle theta with the direction of magnetic field. So use me magnetic dipole throw me magnetic field let this dipole makes an angle theta with the direction of magnetic field. So magnetic field shape magnetic dipole shape use magnetic dipole moment that is m into 2l. This makes an angle theta with the direction of magnetic field. Or let this is the angle made by the magnetic axis with the direction of magnetic field. Now this north pole as well as this south pole, both poles will experience force in this uniform magnetic field. So from the definition of magnetic field, this is equal to B is equal to F by M. So magnetic field is equal to force per unit pole strength. So agar is so that means force that will be equal to M into B, pole strength into magnetic field. That means here north pole, this pole has pole strength equal to M. South pole, this is also pole strength equal to M. So both the poles will experience force according to this F is equal to MB. So let us suppose this north pole will experience force and the south pole will also experience force. So here if we take direction, this is north pole and this is south pole of the magnet. So you see magnetic field, uniform magnetic field produce. So as per the direction of magnetic field charging from north to south. So that means you see north to south, this north pole due to this will be repelled. So here produce force as in the direction of this. So here is barabar F is equal to M into B. So its direction will be along the B. So as you see south pole after inside attract. So here the direction along this F is equal to M into B. F is equal to M into B. So in direction as opposite to direction of magnetic field. So yum donwai pole, north pole te the south pole te donwai karan experience magnetic force, but magnitude is equal because pole strength is equal, but direction is opposite. Unit direction is along the direction of B, the unit direction is opposite to direction of B. So you have produce force P, SAS yoker, so you have produce force P, SAS yoker. What's going to tell? Each pole experiences force. Each pole experiences force. Donwai pole, north pole te the south pole. Aman donwai portion pech pevan force. Magar aman donwai portion both are equal. Both are equal in magnitude. Donwai magnitude equal but opposite in direction. So as we share चाहे नॉर्थ पोल या साउथ पोल इस पे यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स पे त्रावान दोनवेन पेवान इक्वल फोर्स मगर डायरेक्शन अपोजिट along the direction of B ब्याख opposite to the direction of B. That means this dipole, magnetic dipole, experiences two equal and opposite forces. So as pata yelti kuin body per pen two equal and opposite forces. So that is translational motion that is equal to 0. So as we know this dipole ek jai per big j move because yuta is inside force to inside force. So both forces are equal. That means there will be no translational motion. So magar ashya to yum donwai force they don't act along the same line of action. So you see south pole north pole is force yokan, south pole is yokan. So isu yaad jeen agar bhi yaad jeen trayo magnetic dipole limb yah produce force yokan ye karemis yokan force yah pet yokan. So that means ye karemis stand yokan in koshish ye karemis stand yokan in koshish. So that means Yus ye dipole ch at pe yim zu equal force ch there will be no translational motion magar ye kare rotate karne ki koshish. So this one till these two equal and opposite forces they will tend to rotate the dipole. So you can koshish a dipoles rotate karnas to time yutai in this direction by kapar along the direction of magnetic field. So you dunai force these two forces constitute couple. These two forces constitute couple. The aim couple is two equal and opposite force. Dipoles rotate karne ki koshish ताकि he along the direction of magnetic field. This couple so this couple tends to rotate the dipole. This couple tends to rotate the dipole. This tendency of couple is called torque. This tendency of couple is called torque. So using two forces, two equal and opposite forces, they constitute couple. So this part is dipoles patterns equal and opposite force a couple. The couple forces rotate the couple tendency or movement of couple. This movement of couple is called torque. So your torque chase karum. So what will be the torque on this magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field? That means this torque tends to rotate the dipole in the magnetic field. So ashpata you see torque is equal to isa barabar force into force R. Force into force R. यह अशुना एक्सपोज torque बराबर force into perpendicular distance between two forces. So अशुना you see torque it is tendency is to rotate the dipole. It is equal to force. So that means either force. So chunki danwain force magnitude equal. So the force of force. So either force that means magnitude of either force into perpendicular distance between two forces. Yaman don force darmiyan yus a force inge act kara bya force inge act kara. Aman don force darmiyan perpendicular distance. So that means actual torque asan tau se kara denote. It is equal to force. So magnitude of either force, either magnitude of this force or magnitude of this force, that is equal to mb into perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance between two forces. Don't force darmiyan perpendicular distance. So into magnitude of either force, that is called torque. So actually magnitude of either force that is equal to mb. So we have to here find perpendicular distance between two forces. Don't force darmiyan perpendicular distance. So agar is yaad janimo ye force north pole per south pole. So batra inke a perpendicular line so yaad je trab ye kar your extend. So you can extend your trab perpendicular. So after now nth p. So this pn is the perpendicular distance between two forces. So till tau is equal to mb into pn. So mb into pn. This pn is the perpendicular distance between two forces. So iska yokan ye pn किस पर करोस याद है a right angle triangle because it is 90 degree. Actually right angle triangle SPN. So we like in right angle triangle SPN. अगर बात triangle मस कर sin theta. So इसका रो ये triangle मस S PN triangle must carbo sin theta ashpata each base because angle it is corresponding side. This is opposite side, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. This magnetic length is hypotenuse. So sin theta ashpata it is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular. What is perpendicular? It is NE or PN, perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is this S, and that is magnetic length, that is 2L. So here PN is equal to 2L sin theta. So in the still you see as perpendicular between two force, perpendicular distance between two forces draw is barabar 2L sin theta. So in the tau is equal to MB into PN. PN is equal to 2L sin theta. So black in tau is equal to M to 2L. M into 2L brackets mas ये में B sin theta. Go Isra tau till barabar M look me into 2L HB into B sin theta. Now tau is equal to what is this M into 2L? That means pole strength into magnetic length. Pole strength into magnetic length, that is called magnetic dipole moment. So you can like with M, capital M, B sin theta. So small m is pole strength and capital M is magnetic dipole moment. So this is the torque on a magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field. So as we tell this dipole travel, it is uniform magnetic field is net force on 0 because net force is 0 because after two equal and opposite forces. Yum dunwai magnitude equal but opposite in direction. So that means net force is 0. So there is no translational motion. But due to these equal and opposite forces, they don't act along the same line of action. So as we constitute a couple. So then couple search rotate. That means that moment of the couple is called torque. And torque is equal to MB into perpendicular distance. That means magnitude of either force into perpendicular distance. So this torque draw is barabar MB sin theta. So as you pata cross products as A cross B, that is equal to AB sin theta. So as AB sin theta, you see AB sin theta is still winner, each barabar A cross B. Similarly, here is MB sin theta. Then in vector form, tau is equal to M cross B. That means torque is equal to cross product of magnetic momentum and magnetic field. So tau is equal to M cross B. Here theta is the angle between magnetic momentum. Theta is the angle between the magnetic momentum and the magnetic field. So you see torque is equal to M cross B. So this is the magnitude of torque and this is in terms of vector form. So what about direction? So direction of tau. So direction of tau किस पर है को स्पीड. So इसमें गलत you see tau this tau it is इस पर cross product इसमें छोड़ना कि अगर इसका दोनों cross product A cross B, cross product of two vectors is a vector. Similarly here cross product of two vectors is a vector. So actually you see vector C it is direction is perpendicular to A, perpendicular to B and plane containing A and B. Similarly, direction of this will be perpendicular to both M and B and their plane. So it can be found by right hand rule, Fleming's left hand rule. So we can use any rule. You say swing type perimeter as per passport रूल सारी कि इस पे क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट है दोन वेक्टर तमिच डायरेक्शन कित पे हेको कर इथे पे हेको रूल कर यूज तो हेको डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस torque हेको कर सो विच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू M and perpendicular to B. Now अस निमो याद कि स्पेशल केसेस सो याद निमो इसकी स्पेशल केसेस. So when will be the torque maximum, when will be torque minimum? So yaad nimo iski cases. Aizra yaad expression. So tau is equal to mb sin theta. So aizra tau barabar mb sin theta. Now agar is case first nimo yaad case first. If theta is equal to 0 degree or theta is equal to 180 degree. ऐसमो थीटा बराबर 0 डिग्री, ऐसमो थीटा बराबर 180 डिग्री. What does it mean? अगर मैं याजे निम magnetic field, this is the direction of magnetic field. So याजे निम magnetic dipole. So this is south pole, this is north pole and south pole and north pole. So again it is the direction of magnetic field by magnetic dipole moment. As for the magnetic dipole moment direction from south to north. So this is the direction of magnetic dipole moment. Go upper magnetic field te upper magnetic dipole moment. That means both are pointing in the same direction because direction of magnetic dipole moment is from south to north. South to north, this is the direction of magnetic dipole moment. The direction of magnetic field, that means theta is equal to 0 degree. Now, if we in the case, this is the direction of magnetic field. This is the direction of magnetic field. So, in the number, your magnetic dipole travel uniform magnetic field will south to north. So magnetic dipole moment capital M in this direction from